All right, guys, we're checking out the all-new 2024 Can-Am Maverick R. And up front here, we want to focus on this winch bumper. So this, as you can see, incredibly changes the front end of the Mav R here. Gives us a top mount winch, so we can still get easy access to the free spool over here. Much easier access and much higher mount to be able to get to that winch line. Whether we're in the rocks, whether we're in the mud, that higher winch mount makes it a much easier time getting the car out. So we wanted to get it up high. We wanted to protect that winch. We gave it a bull bar wrap around all the way around the top. Keeps the brush off the plastics. We also put in some laser cut holes up here up top. So if you want to add some pod lights, you can add up to 4 pod lights up here, or a light bar, get you some more light out front. Down below, we have a nice smooth skid plate. So this is gonna be super easy when you get into those little nose heavy situations. We don't want this to turn into a shovel. We'd much rather just slide off of that. We've got that nice smooth surface here. But as you can see here, we still utilize your factory D-ring that came on the bumper. So get to keep that, get to utilize that. Makes it a nice little, makes it a nice little spot to rest our hook here. So check this out. This is now available for the Mav R. Fits all models. And if getting that winch up high and out of the mud, out of the muck, and out of the rocks is important to you, you're gonna want to check this out for your Mav R.